And the races on Lenlen Ice Storm, pinakamagaling alongside si Senyor Rolling Thunder, Fuerte Material, and yes, Pogi is the trailer. Si Senyor Lenlen Ice Storm, pinakamagaling, running by Daral, yes, Pogi, and on the outside, Fuerte Material and Rolling Thunder is now running at the tail of the field as they round the 3/4 mile distance. Three runners, Lenlen in the middle, pinakamagaling. And running down on the inside, si Senyor Ice Storm, yes, Pogi, down on the inside fifth. Rolling Thunder, second last, and Fuerte Materiales now running at the tail of the field, working towards the back. Pinakamagaling this time by Sam Tuleng, followed by Ice Storm, Lenlen, si Senyor, yes, Pogi, alongside his Rolling Thunder, Fuerte Materiale. Inside the last 600, pinakamagaling by Alenken up. Ice Storm getting closer in second. One moving up down on the inside is, yes, Pogi, si Senyor Rolling Thunder also rushing up Lenlen, Fuerte Materiale as the action swing towards the final corner. Pinakamagaling Ice Storm, yes, Pogi, Rolling Thunder is already outside, si Senyor Fuerte Material, Lenlen, and nearing the last 150 more to run. It's now, yes, Pogi, pinakamagaling Ice Storm and Rolling Thunder. Last 50 minutes more to run. Yes, Pogi. Second, pinakamagaling Rolling Thunder, Ice Storm, si Senyor, Lenlen, and Fuerte Materiale comes last.